G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School, here again, Rimini, CGIP 2025, with some of our good friends, the Techfrost people. If you've come to a class or done any kind of online consulting with us, you'll know that we have a Techfrost blast freezer in our facility. We love it. It's probably one of the most used pieces of equipment that we have. I say all the time, do you need one? No. Should you have one? Absolutely. So we're here this year to see what's new. Now, among the lines of blast freezers and blast chillers, they have relatively new technology with cooking. Your blast freezer can now cook a meal for you and then chill it down. He's a man in demand. And he is our good friend here, the Fabio man. How are you?
Hi.
People may get confused, not the Fabio with the beautiful hair and the muscles, right?
I lost all my hair.
It's been a good year this year for
Yes,
Techfrost.
yes.
Some new products. You've got a beautiful booth here at the show.
Thank you.
We wanted to talk about this technology of heating or cooking and chilling in the same machine.
Yes.
Is it
thank
new
you.
technology?
It's not new because it's 2-3 years that we'll work on that. It's important to know that it's a blast freezer, shock freezer,
Yep.
that works minus 40 Fahrenheit.
Right.
Yes, for frozen the food, the gelato, the
Yes.
pastry, everything. But we improve new technology for slow cooking and for retarding improver. It's
Yeah.
used in bakery, Slow cooking is important to bring 85 degrees Celsius,
Yes.
okay? And to use, to add steam inside for maintenance the food right.
So let's have a look. Can I just say, the machine is beautiful.
Thank you.
I mean, the Italians, it's good to have functionality, but it
Yes.
also looks very stylish. Show us a little bit about how this unit works.
Yes, it works. So it's a blast freezer multifunction. This is the complete line. We have many functions regarding blast chiller. For example, freezing minus 40 Celsius, that is the same that Fahrenheit.
Yes.
Is the temperature, the core probe to handle the cycle. If you use the core probe,
Yep.
the minutes, and even the fan speed inside.
So you can regulate how fast
Yes,
to span
it's
the
very
fan move.
important for delicate food,
Right.
delicate pastry to regulate the fan speed. Okay.
Because you can wind chill, you can damage the delicate pastry products because of
yes,
too much.
too much, and you can add some slow cooking function. So cook after chilling or chilling after cook.
Right.
It's very good, very important. Other functions, chilling, freezing,
Yep.
or special cycles like thawing, drying food,
Yeah.
or slow cooking.
So it dries, it's a dryer as well.
Yes, it's dry as well. It
So-
works on the fans works and keep warm temperature inside without anything.
It thaws, it dries, it
Yes.
cooks,
Yes,
it freezes.
and even thawing.
thawing. Is there anything that it doesn't do, Fabio? Does it do your washing? Can I put my laundry in here?
No, not yet. But we can consider for the future.
I was talking to someone just last night at dinner from the UK.
Yes.
I think he was one of your
Okay.
distributors. He was cooking ribs in
Ribs.
this thing, slow
Yes,
cooking ribs
yes.
overnight.
Not only in UK, but even in Europe, in Italy, in France, we have some customers that they use for make the ribs. So long time till
Right.
6-8 hours of slow cooking, 45-50 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
And they keep. And after they chill. And the storage,
Yeah.
and when they arrive the order to the restaurant or to the bakery, they just cook in the oven just a few minutes, 5
Right.
minutes,
It's really just to put a sear on
Yeah.
it or to kind of give it that last bit of heat.
to evitate the contamination.
Right,
It's
right,
very
right.
important.
I think this is incredible.
Oh, thanks.
Are there many companies that do this? I mean,
My idea is only the primary companies that work with blast freezer
Right.
can do something like that. As you can see there,
Yeah.
it's
It's
frozen.
coming out. Let's
air.
catch it. Let's catch it and put it back in. Quick. Close the door.
It's a 15 trays.
Yep.
Okay. After we have the 10 trays, so can change the size.
Yep.
8. Always the
Okay.
same concept, and 5.
And this does all the same function.
Yes, all the time. Heating elements inside that make the slow cooking. Techfrost is one of the first companies that invest a lot of research and development and new function, because we listen to the customer,
Yes.
the distributors on the market, on the field, the
Yeah.
chef. We are present in all over the world.
I was gonna
More
say.
than 100 countries. Our mostly markets is US, of course, South Americas, Asia,
Yeah.
Australia, Japan, Philippines, Vietnam.
No matter where you are in the world, you can have one of these units. I know in the US, your good friends Jim
Jim
and
Hall.
Plowman
Plummet.
at
They are my
Advanced
friends.
Gourmet have it.
From Advanced Gourmet.
We love them. We have the unit in our Scoop School facility that doesn't heat it, just but it's perfection. The
Yes.
amount of product that can be, basically, the freshness can be locked in. And I say this all the time, you really should have one. If you're in the gelato business, if you're in the ice cream
Especially
business,
for gelato.
you can be
They
in the
use
rib
that.
business, you can be
Yeah.
in the roast business.
Now yes. Now yes.
Everything is under one roof. And soon for doing laundry. You have an option for spin cycles.
Please give me more time.
Fabio, great to talk
Thanks,
to you.
Steve. It was a pleasure.
And all of the information on Techfrost, where you can find it, will be in the show notes
Italian
down here.
company, eh?
Made
Italian-
in Italy.
Made in Italy, completely made in Italy. We make everything inside our factory.
Just like Fabio, made in
Thanks.
Italy is the best. Strong,
Yes, without-
handsome,
Without her.
without.
but-
Thank you, mate. Good to talk to you.
Thanks a lot.
Keep on scooping, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.